Hello everyone, this is Utkarsh Shukla. Welcome to the new episode of Professionals Unplugged. Let me introduce you to my guest, Divya. Divya, thank you so much for joining in.
Hi everyone.
Yeah. So let us start with the very basic question. So Divya, can you please introduce our audience about yourself, like your work, your profession?
Yeah, sure. So I am Divya. I am a software developer. I am currently located in Toronto, Canada. I moved to Toronto around 2 years ago from Texas. So yeah,
That's great. So right now you're working as a software developer.
that's right. Yeah.
So can you just tell us about your profession as well, like in software engineering, what work you're doing, like tech you are using, and anything on that?
Yeah, sure. I am currently working at Dell. So I joined them back in 2019. So I have gone through a lot of technical stacks since then. So I joined as an automation engineer back then. So I was working with Python, and then in Dell we have a lot of servers that we work with. So basically, we are providers of, let's say, you would have seen Avatar movie, right? So in that, the server was provided by Dell, and I worked on that server. So for that one, we basically, that time I was working in Python, core Python development. Then I moved on to different projects within Dell. So in that, then the last role that I was working was involving a lot of Golang language. That's a very relative language developed by Google. And then I was moved to Kubernetes. So I was working in Kubernetes using Ansible, and we were developing a cloud internally for Dell. So I was working for networking in Kubernetes cloud development. And then I was missing working with Python. So currently I am back to Python. I moved to another team. So yeah, a lot of movements, but a lot of good progress.
So in short, I think you are covering the DevOps part, doing automations and creating servers, more of an SRE task, right?
Not really. So people, when they say talk about servers, they will relate SRE in general, but it a lot of backend development for the servers. It's not SRE at all.
So development plus SRE, I can say. You are
Yeah.
two people.
And it is not related to SRE. We don't. So the thing is, we are the providers of the servers. So what happens after that, we don't care, kind of a thing. But the softwares need to be developed before that, right? So let's say you would want to know how is my fan working for server, for example. So those are the things that SRE will take care of it. But who develops them? That is us. That features.
Okay. So you are developing the software that will be monitored by SRE in short. Right?
Yeah.
More into development.
Yeah.
That's awesome, Divya. So let's move to our next question. So any story you want to share or any topic you want to talk on?
Yeah, sure. So other than my software development, I also to provide like job search mentoring kind of a service, or I like to do that a lot because when I moved to Canada, I realized that a lot of folks have, like, when they move from different countries, and then they don't have any idea on what they should be expecting out of Canada job market, and how they should change their job search from their home countries. So I provide that kind of support as well. I feel it is very important to have that kind of support, like to have a mentor or a coach in a new country when you are by yourself. So I take a lot of interest in supporting, because when I was job searching back in US, I was having a hard time myself because I had very limited experience back in our home country, India. So that's why I thought, okay, let me start this after I gained a good experience, and then I started on this journey.
When that's very kind of you and helpful, because this is the one problem I think that you have faced, and giving the solution to the same is really a great, I think, inspirational shift. And I think this is a fear that everyone have, that when they move to a new country, searching for a new job or moving towards something else that they doesn't belong to, or moving to a new culture, we can say. So I mean,
Yeah,
this is a need, I think, of society in short, right?
yeah.
It's really a great job. Congrats on that. So,
Thank you, Utkarsh.
final question. Can you tell us about your dream? If you have any that you want to share with us?
Dream. So that's a very broad term when we say dream, right? Like, for
Yeah.
example, in my as a professional, I want to learn a lot of new languages, have more experience, do a corporate, progression in my career. So that's one. Then the entrepreneur side of me says that I need to also have like job search, that the coaching service that I have to strengthen it even more. And then my body says I need to be more fit. So there are different dreams. So yeah, but at the end of the day, financial freedom plus having a healthy a body and a healthy lifestyle is the ultimate dream.
And that's also nothing you covered every aspect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. So one last thing I would like to ask you about your coaching stuff. So how you mentor people or how you coach them? Because if someone is watching this video, they need help, how they can be utilized by you, right? Right? How they can be helped.
Yeah.
So can you just tell us about?
So yeah, sure. So I post contents on LinkedIn regularly, so that you can use those posts to boost your job search. I post about general job search as well. But if you want to have a one-on-one conversation with me, then you can book a session in TopMate.io, or you can even send me a separate message on LinkedIn chat, and then we can take forward from there.
Yeah, that's good. So you are open with one-on-one as well as you are sharing thoughts that anyone can see. So
right.
Really awesome of you. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm done with my questions. So thanks, Divya. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great journey ahead. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Utkarsh. Take care. Bye.